Hello everyone, welcome back to Earth Detective. In today's video, I am going to show you how I built my own WordPress blog website called Earth Detective completely from scratch and using free hosting. If you're interested in creating your own blog website, this video will guide you step by step. Let me open a single blog post so you can see how it looks. Now let's go behind the scenes. I used InfinityFree to get free hosting and a free subdomain. First, I created an account. Then I choose a domain name and filled in my account details. From the dashboard, I opened cPanel. Searched for Softaculous app installer and installed WordPress. During installation, I set my admin username, password. Make sure to set a strong admin username and password. Once the installation is complete, you can log in directly. Just type your domain /wp admin. Now for the fun part, making it look beautiful. Go to Appearance, click on Themes. I'm using the BlogGig theme. I will leave a download link in the comment section below. After activating BlogGig theme, go to the theme options and import the demo template. This gives us a professional structure instantly, so we don't have to start from scratch. Click Customize. Now you can upload your logo, set your site title, rearrange your sidebar, and change its style. In the menu settings, I have created a custom primary menu. This is where you organize your art science categories like mineralogy, petrology, environmental science, etc. So your readers can find exactly what they are looking for. to grow a community, you want to people to participate. I have installed a plugin that allows readers to submit guest posts. I will show you a quick demo of how a guest submit a post and how it waits in a dashboard for admin approval. Science is universal, so I have added G-Translate plugin so that visitor can read art science blogs, insights in any language with just one click. And that's it, a complete professional art science blog built for $0. If you eventually want to move away from a subdomain, I will show you how to point a custom domain to InfinityFree by updating your name servers. Now I want to hear from you. What kind of website are you building? Are you making a science blog, a portfolio, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.